MBT Arjun is a 4-man crew tank. It's like any Western tank. If you want to compare MBT Arjun, you should compare with M1A2, M1A1, Leopard 2, or the Leclerc. Because essentially the characteristics of these tanks of a Western tank, unlike a Soviet tank, there is a 3-man crew. So that's why even the look also, if you look at it, it will be similar to a Western tank look, because we have a 4-man crew with a loader standing in position. So the tank is powered by a 1400 horsepower engine. The power pack has been developed by MTU, and Renk transmissions are there. So it has got a hydropneumatic suspension. This is one of the first tank. We pursued that design with a hydropneumatic suspension, which gives that excellent ride comfort. We have two versions of the tank, Mark 1 and Mark 2. What you see behind me is a Mark 2 version of that one. And the Mark 1 is already inducted with the Army. There are 120 tanks are with the Army. And we have brought some of the tanks from the Army also. That is also available here. So Mark 2 has got more features. Having inducted the tank, we have also got feedback from the users. We need more additional features. So we have provided that additional features in Mark 2, where the loader can fire the anti-aircraft gun on a closed-down condition, remotely operated.
Arjun MBT has got 15 major improvements to make it contemporary tank in the world. It can be equal to any Western countries' tanks. And now I will explain the features of Arjun MBT Mark II. Now here what we are seeing is the track with mine plow, which can plow away the mines from the track, so that tank can go ahead and then comfortably in a minefield without any issue. It has been demonstrated successfully with no issues. And now we can think of, this is ERA, explosive reactive armor, and what you are seeing the sides of the turret, in the frontal arc it is covered with the explosive reactive armor to give the protection against the respective ammunitions. Here what is covered in that red is the laser warning countermeasure system. It can sense enemy laser rangefinder or laser target designator or beam rider, and it can give a warning to the crew, and automatically it can take action also. The action is, it will fire the smoke grenade discharge. We have an innovative feature here. Normally this SZD is mounted fixed on the turret. So in case the SZD has to be fired in the required direction, the entire turret has to rotate. Now we made it a rotary grenade, this one. See, only that will rotate, and the tank gunner still can aim and engage the target. So that is a better feature of this Arjun MBT, and we have conceptually made it innovatively. And what you are seeing the top, that is that olive green portion, that is called remote control weapon station, and it is a 2-axis stabilized system to engage the aerial targets. And the loader can fire in the hatch closed condition, because it has got a CCD camera, it has got a thermal imager, and with the inside you will be able to accurately engage the aerial targets. So that is the best feature, indigenous design system. You cannot see in the camera, but we introduce a final drive with the increased reduction ratio, which gives a more torque to the track, and the tank is much more agile. Notwithstanding the tank, it becomes much more agile, and it has been proven in the our own trials and user trials successfully. And we totally redesigned our suspension running gear system for more to consider the weight, and it has performed successfully. And it's a very good, it's again an indigenous solution. And normally tank will have to have a silent watch mode. So we designed a APU, auxiliary power unit, which will cater for the additional electronic loads of the Mark II system, and that has been met successfully, and it is also proven. If you are seeing this front two things bottom, that is called a driver's night sight. It is having a thermal imager based system. It gives a 3D perception to the driver to drive comfortably in any terrain. So it is also been demonstrated, and it is found successful. And in the top, that olive green, that with the two lenses, that is called commander's panoramic sight in Mark I. That is basically gives a panoramic surveillance capability to the commander. He can see 360 around, and in case he finds a priority target, he'll be able, just press of a button, the entire turret system will rotate in the direction and he'll be able to fire and kill the tank, enemy tank. So that is called hunter kill capability, and it has got day and night surveillance, and it is a better future because Mark 1 has got the only day surveillance.
He is LD सुरेंद्र यादव.
मैं इस टैंक का एमबीटी अर्जुन मार्क 2 का ड्राइवर हूँ।
He is the driver of Arjun MBT Mark II.
ये टैंक काफ़ी बेहतरीन है।
It is a very effective tank and a best tank, what I personally feel.
चलाने में आसानी है।
To drive it is very comfortable and easy.
स्पीड इसकी बेहतरीन है।
It has got a better speed also.
इंजन मेंटेनेंस के लिए इंजन बहुत आसान है।
For the maintenance part, the engine and other things can be easily removed or fitable. Hence, there is a less of problem so far as logistic sustenance is concerned. He is Sawar Sri Krishna.
मैं एमबीटी मार्क 2 अर्जुन का गनर हूँ।
He is MBT Arjun Mark II's gunner who fires the main gun.
इसमें फायरिंग के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा सिस्टम लगाया गया है। लेजर का भी फायर है और बहुत ही अच्छा फायर कर सकते हैं।
He is saying he has got the best gunner main sight which has got day as well as night firing capability and very effective firing system with the automatic target tracking.
और इसमें मजल फायर भी करते हैं हम।
He can do a muzzle firing also.
और इसको हम एक ही सेकंड में हम टारगेट को एक ही गोले में डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं इसको।
Because of his efficacy and better fire control system, within 1 second he can destroy a target 100%. He is Dafedar N. Palni.
मैं एमबीटी मार्क 2 अर्जुन का लोडर हूँ।
He is MBT Arjun Mark II's loader. See, over and above this, as a loader, he loads the ammunition as and when required, and also he controls over anti-aircraft gun, which is called as remote control weapon system, which is on top to cater for any anti-air threats. He is Naib Rasildar KM Kutti.
एमबीटी अर्जुन का कमांडर
He is the commander of MBT Arjun Mark II.
और ये टैंक कमांड एंड कंट्रोल के लिए बहुत अच्छा है।
It is very best tank to have a command and control over the crew or otherwise.